In the heart of the post-war era, a literary and cultural movement ignited, challenging the conventional norms of American society. Known as the Beat Generation, this rebellious group of artists, poets, and intellectuals sought to break free from the shackles of conformity and embrace a more authentic, unapologetic existence. Born out of the ashes of World War II, the Beats found themselves disillusioned with the materialism and consumerism that had come to define the American dream. They yearned for a more spiritual and humanistic way of life, seeking solace in the bohemian enclaves of New York City and San Francisco. Allan Ginsberg, a central figure of the Beat Generation, penned the groundbreaking poem Howl, a raw, unfiltered exploration of the human condition that would become the movement's anthem. In its lines, Ginsberg raised his voice against the conformity and hypocrisy of the era, demanding a return to the essence of what it meant to be human. The Beat Generation was not without controversy. Their unconventional lifestyle, characterized by their rejection of traditional morality, their experimentation with drugs, and their interest in Eastern spirituality, earned them both admiration and condemnation. They were seen as a threat to the status quo, and their works were often banned or denounced. Despite the backlash, the Beats continued to push boundaries, inspiring a generation of young people to question the values of their parents and seek a more meaningful existence. They introduced the world to writers like Jack Kerouac, who chronicled his travels across America in On the Road, a novel that would become a cornerstone of the Beat Generation's literary legacy. The Beat Generation's impact was profound, influencing not only literature and poetry but also music, art, and counterculture movements. They paved the way for the hippie movement of the 1960s and the ongoing quest for individuality and self-expression that continues to define American culture today. In the end, the Beats left behind a legacy of nonconformity, intellectual curiosity, and a defiant spirit that continues to resonate with those who dare to challenge the status quo. Their story serves as a reminder that even in the face of adversity, the pursuit of truth and authenticity can lead to a revolution of the mind and soul.